Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Product Review Top 5. A portable welding machine is a versatile and essential tool for both professional welders and DIY enthusiasts. Designed to offer flexibility and mobility, these compact units allow users to weld in various environments, whether on construction sites, at home workshops, or on remote job sites. They are ideal for small to medium-scale welding projects and can be powered by electricity, gas, or even batteries, depending on the model. Portable welding machines are known for their convenience, ease of use, and ability to deliver high-quality welds without the need for bulky, stationary equipment. Whether you're working with metal fabrication, automotive repairs, or general maintenance, a portable welding machine provides the freedom to tackle a wide range of tasks with precision and efficiency. Number 5. HITBOX ARC 200D Portable Welding Machine. The HITBOX ARC 200D Portable Welding Machine is a compact yet powerful tool tailored for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. With its innovative design and reliable performance, this arc welder stands out as a versatile addition to any workspace. The HITBOX ARC 200D is a reliable and user-friendly welding machine ideal for small to medium-scale projects. Its portability, advanced inverter technology, and robust build make it a worthy investment for hobbyists and professionals working on light fabrication tasks. While it might not suit heavy industrial applications, its versatility and ease of use make it a standout choice for everyday welding needs. Number 4. HITBOX ARC 200 Mini 3 Portable Welding Machine. The HITBOX ARC 200 Mini 3 Portable Welding Machine stands out as a compact and efficient solution for professionals and hobbyists alike. This lightweight arc welder is built for durability, portability, and ease of use, making it a great choice for on-the-go welding projects or those with limited workspace. The HITBOX ARC 200 Mini 3 Portable Welding Machine is an excellent choice for small to medium-scale welding tasks. Its compact size, robust build, and user-friendly operation make it a reliable tool for DIY enthusiasts, maintenance personnel, and light fabrication professionals. While it may not meet the demands of industrial-grade welding, its value and versatility for everyday use are undeniable. Number 3. SIMDER ARC 200 Portable Welding Machine. The SIMDER ARC 200 Portable Welding Machine is a compact and highly functional device designed for both novice and experienced welders. This machine impresses with its lightweight design, efficient performance, and versatile welding capabilities. The SIMDER ARC 200 Portable Welding Machine is an excellent investment for hobbyists, DIY enthusiasts, and professionals handling light to medium-duty welding tasks. Its combination of portability, efficiency, and performance makes it a standout choice in the mini-stick welder category. While it may not cater to heavy industrial requirements, it shines in its target segment, offering great value for its price. Number 2. Arccaptain ARC 200 Portable Welding Machine. The Arccaptain ARC 200 Portable Welding Machine stands out as a versatile and efficient tool for both professional and hobbyist welders. Designed with precision and ease of use in mind, this welding machine delivers impressive performance across a range of applications. The Arccaptain ARC 200 Portable Welding Machine delivers exceptional value for its price, combining functionality, efficiency, and portability. Whether you're a beginner learning to weld or a seasoned professional, this machine provides the flexibility and performance needed for most welding tasks. Highly recommended for those looking for a robust yet affordable welding solution. Number 1. Deko DKUS MMA 160AM Portable Welding Machine. The Deko DKUS MMA 160AM Portable Welding Machine is a robust and user-friendly tool designed for both professional welders and DIY enthusiasts. Its impressive combination of portability, performance, and ease of use makes it a standout choice in the welding market. The Deko DKUSMMA 160AM portable welding machine is a solid investment for anyone seeking a reliable and portable welding solution. Its lightweight design and powerful performance make it suitable for both home use and professional settings. While it may lack some advanced features, its affordability and efficiency more than compensate. Thanks for watching this video.